The inspiration for opening the Eco-Fill shop was necessity. I was looking for products that had sustainable packaging, products that had sustainable ingredients, and I was not finding what I needed. I could find good ingredients, and it was just all in plastic, tons and tons of plastic. And I just thought, you know, there's gotta be a better way. And because I couldn't find a better way, I made a better way. What we as consumers need to avoid purchasing are things that are wrapped in plastic that do not need to be wrapped in plastic. The Eco-Fill shop is really doing its part to reduce that. We have a lot of plant fiber dental floss. We have dental floss picks that are made out of plant-based plastics that will also biodegrade. Bamboo toothbrushes so that the handle is completely compostable. They will decompose and they will not leave behind toxic chemicals as they do so, no microplastics. And then toothpaste tabs. You just refill and there's no tubes to squeeze out, and that's a big deal. So we do have like I call those the accessories to the daily consumables, just trying to replace stuff that you use all the time but then throw away, like beeswax wrap or a plant-based wax wrap to replace cellophane wrap. That's a big deal because that is where we're going to make the biggest impact for just the amount of trash that as consumers we generate. Biggest difference for the environment in this store are all of our bar products. They require no packaging. You don't have to even put them in the boxes. We use compostable boxes. They are just as easy to use or fill to make product in as plastic. At the Eco-Fill shop, we have a refill station. And the refill station helps everybody access sustainable products and reduce plastic. It doesn't eliminate it altogether, but it reduces plastic because you can just bring in your shampoo, conditioner, laundry wash, dish soap, whatever liquid product you've been using around the house. You can fill up with whatever product that you are out of. We do go one step further here at the Eco-Fill shop to reduce the amount of deliveries that we have to have or products that we carry on our shelves. Everything is unscented. And then we offer essential oils that then you can customize your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, whatever it is you're refilling, and you get your own scent. And that really helps us reduce the amount of plastic because then I only have to buy one variety and then everybody can have their own product. And that just really makes a big difference in reducing plastic. We're also making sure that our ingredients are not just safe for the environment, but safe for you. With even the cleaning products, because they're biodegradable and natural, they're also not reactive. So it doesn't really matter what was in that plastic container before, as long as you've done your best to rinse it out, then it doesn't matter what you're refilling it with, because my products are not going to react with other products. All of the products at the Eco-Fill shop are cruelty-free. You're going to find a lot of vegan products here. You can do anything with plants that you can do with petroleum or animals. If we do have an animal product, it is not from a dead animal. Like our wool dryer balls are from very happy sheep in New Zealand, and they just get shaved and sheared, and we get their wool, and then they get to grow another coat of wool and repeat the process. You should only have to come here once, maybe twice. That's the way we're designed, is like so that you don't have to go shopping all the time, because that's also not sustainable. It's not really good for the environment. This is definitely for university students. The Eco-Fill shop is a healthy 10-15 minute walk. The next time you run out of shampoo, search out a store like mine. There are quite a few of us out here doing this to make it so that as an individual, you don't have to work that hard to make a difference.
We hope you enjoyed this segment of of scenic stops and stories. Be sure to follow our social media pages for the latest updates and headlines.